Yo. So, what's going on? It is the 8th of July. It's a day. It's I wouldn't say the day after. When you probably see this, it'll probably be the day after. But what we're gonna go over again and again. I'm gonna tell you. I go over I trade the Nikkei 225, which is a futures pair, but I correlated off the DJIA or the DJIA, Dow Jones Industrial Average Index. And I pretty much keep it simple. What I do as I go off of, let's go on here. Let's just erase this. So the first things first is what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to, I have my SMA up there. And what I do is just go to the indicators up top of you on Trading View. And then I just go to simple moving averages by stocks in a box or stocks in box. Press that, and then it's gonna have like 10 indicators. All I have is the 10 and the 1. So I have the 20 and the 600 pretty much, since I'm on a 5-minute time frame. So like I said, it's just basically an average for me. All right, I know this is far off, so I get careful when this average is so far off from the EMA. All right, but if that confuses you, we'll get rid of this one and we go from there. All right. So this is the 20 moving average. All right. You can use the 200. It's up to you. This is just what I do. So what I do is, then I have my volume indicator. Again, you just go over here to indicators. Just click on this first one. All right. And then sessions. That's just so I'll know when it's Asian session. So I hit sessions by JRFX Addict. All right. So what I do is I always go off. This is my confluences right here. All right. So this is let's see, Friday. So Friday, what I do is I mark the highs and the lows, or support and resistance, whatever you want to call it, of Friday. All right. And then what I do is I go back down to the 3 or the 5-minute time frame, and then I have my see highs and lows. All right, boom and boom. All right. So I don't know why I did that. Let me go over here. All right, so let me go to, this would be Thursday. Yep, this is it right here. So let's go over here. I don't know why I went over there. All right, and then let's move this over here. So this was the high and low of the previous week, which was Friday. The previous day, which was Friday. All right, so again, go to the DJI. All right, and then what I do, see, this is Friday. All right, now this is Wednesday, and then Thursday is missing. So what I looked at Friday, right? So I looked at on Wednesday, this was the price. All right, and on Friday, this was the closing price right here, right? This was the closing price. So if the closing, let's make this out. For, let's say, for bullish trade, if the closing price is higher than the previous day, I'll look for, let's go, only look for bullish trades. That's it. That keeps it simple. All right, let me get out of here and let's make this higher. Let's make this bigger so you can see. All right, 20. So if you see right here, it closed, boom, and then it closed higher than the previous day, right? All right, so that means on today, when you come over here, I'm only looking for bullish trades, and I'm looking for on a 5-minute time frame. If you can see, I'll start trading at, and then let's go back. Let's just see, we can see this in again, hindsight, but real time. It's real time back testing. Let's say that. All right, so if you can see right here, boom, it's continually, once it opened up, and let's see where it opened up at. Let's just do this. Look for this indicator, and I've been using these a while, so I know exactly where to find them at. Let's look at monthly, weekly, and let's look at daily. All right, so it opened up right here, right? Opened up nothing but bearish momentum. But are we taking a what kind of trade? Are we taking a bullish or a bearish trade? We're only taking, see, this is Wednesday, no trading Thursday, then Friday. It closed right here. So it closed on Wednesday at 39,306. And then on Friday, it closed at 39,378. So we're looking for only bullish trades. All right. We start trading, we start looking at 1900, which is 7 o'clock. All right. All right, here's another one. Don't start trading until 7 p.m. Asian session. Don't take nothing before then. All right. And let me get out of here. All right. So if we look right here, and let's go down to 1. Might take a little time. All right. So that is, it broke back up over there, over the 20 EMA. But guess what? It didn't fully. All right, let's go. Now, looking for 2 candle lows over the 20 EMA. That's the second one. That's what we're looking for now. All right. And still going. We still taking some time. We might not even get a trade today. All right. Boom. Still bearish. And we don't even need the volume indicator, but I have it just in case. All right. Look at that. Still going down. We're not even messing with it right now. Let's go up a little bit. So we got 1. Didn't completely break over. Let me do this. Looking for 2 candle lows. Plotted. Completely over the 20 EMA. All right, let's go. Nope. Okay, we got the 1. And we got 2. Boom. Into the trade. So the confluence is, again, DJIA closed 3906 the next day, the next trading day, because we didn't trade Thursday, 39,378. Bullish. All right. And what we want to do is, matter of fact, this is number 1 off the DJ. The bias of the day. All right, let's make this 2. And let's make that 3. Boom. Separated so you'll see. All right. So off the DIJ, I'm sorry, determine the bias of the day for me. All right. Don't start trading until 7 p.m. Asian session. Now, 7 p.m. Asian session for me, that is for me only. You have to determine what time that is for you, but that's CST time for me. Looking for 2 candle lows plotted completely over the 20 EMA. So if you look right here, 2 candle lows plotted, and we're going for 20 points or 20 ticks. I'm sorry, 20 ticks. Oops, not 200. Not 200. 20 ticks. All right, now if you look right here, let's go ahead and enter this. And let's see where we at. Now let's go. It's about 500, something like that, minus spreads. Minus minus transaction costs. All right. And let's see. See if it works. This trade already happened, so I know everybody, oh, it's hindsight, blah, blah, blah. I'm just telling you how I look at it and use my strategy. All right. Now keep in mind, this is the biggest key, right? So if you have a 50K account, right, you have to make sure you use proper risk management. So if you have a 50K account, you can only lose, I think, 1,000 a day. So with that being said, let me show you this. If you're wrong, all right, and I've done this. All right. So let's just say you use 3. Now with NKD, that's let me go right here. So if you look, you can only lose 1,000 a day with the 50K account. So if you look, yeah, oh, okay, there's several things. Okay, 1,500, cool. I only need to make 3,000. But here's the case: you can only make 1,500, but for the consistency rule with Topstep. All right. But if you lose, you already 1,500 down, but you over your daily loss limit of 1,000. But if you get this, you're over by $10 of your 1,500 daily transaction, daily win or daily profit cost. So at the end of the day, your consistency profit target is going to go up. So you want to make sure you risk properly. All right, make sure you risk properly. So with this being said, since Nikkei is I can't remember the trend. I think it's like 25 a point or something like that, or 50 a point, something like that. I can't remember. We can go to CME and figure it out. All right. So if you look at this, let's go to my calendar, my handy dandy calendar. All right. So you need to make 3,000 to move on to the live account. 500. You only need 6 trades. All right. So 6 trades to get you into the profit status of that. So about a week and a half if you take it easy. All right. If you take it easy, week and a half. If you want to risk more, you just got to make sure you're on point with it. Because if you look at it right here, same thing goes. You only need 3 days. If you do, like I said, look, I shouldn't even have to do this. 3 days. So if you do 2 contracts, you just hit buy, and then you go to 1,000. It'd be 1,000, something like that, and then 1,000. All right. Now let's move on. But we talking about 500 a day. Not talking about 1,000 a day. But I just showed you, if this goes wrong, you already negative 1,000, and that's your daily loss limit for the day for the 50K account. Now let's go on. Now this is the 5-minute time frame. All right. So on that one, we made it. All right. So look right here. Boom. That's 1. That's 2. Let me wide it out. So 1, 2. You made your 500 for the day or your 1,000 for the day. You're done for the day. And that took from 8:40 to, I would say, 21:40. So about an hour and a half. So I don't know. I personally don't know if this would have took us out right here for profit. I don't know, because it depends. It could have gave us a bad entry like right up here somewhere. And so it wouldn't have gave us that. It would have ended up giving us it right here. All right. And right there. All right. Right here. All right. So understand what I'm saying is that you only need about an hour a day for this pair trading to show you exactly which way it's going in the momentum. And this is clear cut right here. See, right here, it's kind of ugly. It broke out right here, but guess what? It didn't have our 2 candle lows right here. Boom. And we're not taking any sales because we look at the DJI, all right, 39,306, 39,378, all right. And we go over here off the DIJ, determine the buys of the day, which was bullish for us. Don't start trading until 7 p.m. Central Standard Time. Look for 2 candle lows completely pleated over the 20 EMA. And I'm gonna tell you, I will tell you, you have to write this down because there's been plenty of times where I just, you know what, I'm gonna go off of this. I trade what I think and not trade what I see. And I would have took a trade. Oh, what's going down? Let me just take this trade. You know what I'm saying? And if you don't have clear-cut rules, if you lose with your clear-cut rules, I can take that. But when I lose off of, you know, something I thought was going to happen versus what I see clear-cut rules, then that kind of makes me upset. It makes sense? All right. So we're done with that one. And after that, it did show this, but we wasn't messing with that because once we have our bullish trade, we're out, we're done, the computer's off. All right. If you look at, and then the same thing goes with here. Let's see, what day was that? Thursday. So I don't know why it's doing. Let me see. Thursday. So it'd been Wednesday. Tuesday closed higher. All right. So Tuesday closed higher. Let's look. So Tuesday we'd have been trading at, okay, where we at? Whoa. Let me get up out of here. What is going? Oh, that's what's going on. All right. So back to, let me see what we got going on. Okay, I confused myself for a second. All right. So if we look, let's look. Tuesday was high, so we're looking at trading that Tuesday night or that Wednesday. What would it be? So Tuesday, it closed. It'd be that afternoon. So if you look right here, bullish again. All right. So here's the kicker. Let me show you. So it pushed up right here, right? Nothing. We need two. Let's bring these back over here. Let's bring these rules back over here. Let's bring these rules back over here. Let's bring these rules back over here. We wanted to cross and be as close as we wanted to by the EMA. All right, let's look. Boom. Move these over here. All right, nothing. Nothing. All right, we got one, but look how far away it is now. We wanted to cross and be right there. All right. So we got two right here, but look right here. We wanted to cross for the best options. We wanted to cross. We looking for buys. All right. All right. So we got one right here and one right here. And then we're looking for 20 ticks. Oh. And let's go back down here. Boom. Let's see if we got it. And let's go from there. We want it to be right crossed over the 20 EMA. Up here, we don't want it right here. We don't want it right here because it didn't cross over and it's too far up for me. Now it might keep shooting up, but I don't care about that. I don't care about that. We want it right here. Boom. All right. Let's keep rolling. We're in a little drawdown right here, about 275. 1 second. Let's keep rolling. All right, so my bad, I had to take a phone call. So as you can see, off the DJIA determined the bias for the day. Don't start trading till 7 p.m. Asian session. Looking for two candle lows plotted completely above over the 20 EMA. As you can see right here, let's dive into it. All right, 1, 2, and let's get out of here. 525 is what you made, and that was good for the day. All right, and this was boom today, and then we look back. This was on Tuesday of last week. All right. So other than that, hope you guys have a good trading week, and I will see you at the end of the week.